I've got the GLOSSYBOX Summer Beauty Edit to share with you, and it comes in this gorgeous bag. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. GLOSSYBOX have just released their Summer Limited Edition beauty bag. They did one last year. I've got it hanging up. Hold on, let's spin you around. Can you see the top over there? An orange bag. I love that one. I was so impressed last year. This one is a little bit of a different design. I love the colours. It is really cute. Nice big bag. I do love the design. So it's nice that they are coming out with different ones each year. So the cost of the box is £45. If you're a subscriber to the monthly beauty box, you can get it for £35. But I have a code. GLOSSYBOX have kind of given me a code, which is bag20. And if you're a non-subscriber and you use that code, then you can get 20% off, which is £9 off. It contains 10 beauty products and has a value of £142. If you're interested in purchasing this for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below and in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes to other websites. So you're welcome, take a look. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside. I've just tipped everything out. I haven't had a proper look yet, but we have got here some information. Ooh, scan for the chance to win the Ultimate Mamma Mia prize. Okay, to see the musical. So you get a little card with a QR code on it. It took me to a blog post telling me all about how to enter the Mamma Mia giveaway, and also a little bit about this beauty box as well. No, it's not a beauty box, beauty bag. But it doesn't give extra information about the product. So I've just had a look on their website as well, and there's no extra information I can give you. But I think we'd be all right. A lot of these products I have seen and tried before. I have just received this necklace today. I love it. This is the second time I've bought it. It's from a shop called Ethnasia. It's a Greek brand, and I think she's got shops in like Corfu and Paros and maybe Crete as well. Well, anyway, I get a lot of my jewellery there, and I love this because I wear it all the time. It goes discoloured, unfortunately, so I've just bought a new one. But it's really, this is the first time I'm wearing it, and it's so itchy. It's really pinching my skin. Ugh. So I'm going to have to get in touch with them. Yeah, it's gutted. I wanted to get it before I went on holiday. Never mind. Anyway, enough of me. We've got Medicate, and this is Tetra Lipid Vitamin C Radiant Serum. There's 30 mils here. This is gorgeous. I use this all the time. I use it every day. I've been using it every single day for the last couple of months, but I have dipped in and out of using it before as well. There's a few different vitamin C's that I do like, but I love this one. And as I'm on Medicate's PR mailing list, they've kindly sent me their new one. They've got an extra strength one. I have to look into it a little bit more. You'll see that in my next PR unboxing. This daily serum infuses skin with a stabilised, gentler form of vitamin C, alongside co-antioxidant vitamin E. The lightweight formula sinks in rapidly to leave skin looking bright and refreshed. It's a gorgeous serum, so really chuffed to have that. Then we've got a spray. This is a fragrance spray by Hawaiian Tropic. This is Tropical Oasis. There's 250 mils here. It's Island Coconut and Raspberry Sorbet. Look how beautiful that bottle is. It's so cute, isn't it? A lightly scented Hawaiian Tropic fragrance mist. Well, let's give it a go then. It just smells of summer. It's very sweet and fruity. It smells really nice. It does smell nice, but I think is a little bit on the sweet side for me, but I do have a daughter who loves the sweet smelling perfumes. I was expecting to smell a lot more of the coconut, but it's not. The raspberry has really come through. If you love your fruity sweet smells, then you will love this one. We've got e.l.f. Skin. This is bronzing drops in pure gold. Bronze and nourish, antioxidants and sunflower seed oil. And there's 10 mils there. These drops are so handy, especially if, like me, either naturally tan or you like fake tanning. I fake tan a lot. Then adding them to foundations just to deepen up the colour is so good. Look at that. I've obviously put too much on my skin there. You only literally need a little bit, but yeah, bit of a difference there. Hold on. So as I was saying, add it to your foundation, SPF or moisturiser, or you can add it on your skin. It contains skincare ingredients, so it's nice and nourishing. Yeah, that's better. That does look really nice. A nice sort of natural tan look, doesn't it? But yeah, I think I would use that more for popping into a foundation to maybe give it a bit more of a glow. But no, I like that. Oh, it does look so nice. It looks like I've got a proper tan. No smell. Had to smell it. There's no smell in it. This is for your hair by Revlon. This is Equave. Equave. I think it's Equave. Equave. Hydro Instant Detangling Conditioner for normal to dry hair. And there's 50 ml there. It just says to shake well and do not rinse. So we've got a detangling conditioner. Then we've got Morphe. This is Hot and Bothered. It's a duo. Dripglass Glaze Lip Duo in Hot Cocoa and Unbothered. There. So they're both very shimmery lip glosses. But this one is more of a like a peachy lip topper. I've got it on top of my tanned hand now, but yeah, hopefully you can see there. You can use it on its own or as a like a lip topper, maybe on top of like a lip liner or something like that, or a matte lipstick. That'd be quite nice. But yeah, if you just want something a little bit shimmery, that's very pretty. They smell nice. They smell a little bit of chocolate. Okay, so that's the darker one. They're both sheer. They're both really sparkly, iridescent, but I think they're pretty. Let's try a little bit of the Unbothered on me. Ooh, okay. I only wanted a little bit. Can you tell the difference? It's added like a little bit of a sparkly shine, but it's not too much. As you saw, I only just put a tiny bit in the middle, but I think that is how I would use these, just to sparkle up my already there lipstick then, you know. But yeah, you can use them on their own. So there's a duo there from Morphe. This is a gorgeous scent. This is by Ritual, and it's Ritual of Karma. It's one of my favourite scents from the different Ritual ranges. And this is an overnight body mask. This is Hydra Boost Complex. It's an overnight body mask. So it's a hydrating body cream that you leave on overnight, as you would normally do with a body cream. But anyway, this is Lotus Flower and White Tea, and there is 40 ml there. Yeah, this is a really, really gorgeous smell. I love this. There. It feels more like a serum than a thick body cream, but it feels nice. I can already smell it. Yes, so nice. I love this smell. Then we've got a body scrub. This is by Frank Body. This is Espresso Scrub. It's a creamy exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. There's 150 grams there. If you've never used a coffee scrub from Frank Body before, or any other coffee scrubs, then I'm assuming this will be a little bit better than usual because it's creamy. Look. Ooh. Yeah, this is better. The non-creamy ones is just basically a load of bits that you rub into your skin. Leaves your skin feeling absolutely amazing. But yeah, as you can imagine, and with this one as well, you know, you're going to have to rinse out your shower afterwards. But I love this one. This is the first time I've seen this one, actually. I didn't know that they did like a creamy version. Just be nicer to massage into your body. This has come at a perfect time, and I'm off to Cyprus next week, and I've booked in for a fake tan the day before, so I need to exfoliate my body like a day before that. It doesn't smell of coffee. The other ones do. I like this one, and I'll definitely be using that before my fake tan. Right, I'm just going to wipe my hands and I'll be back. Next we've got a mascara from Iconic London, and this is Triple Threat Mascara in black. This is a really good mascara. We've seen it quite a few times in different beauty boxes, so if you're a beauty box lover like myself, then you might have seen it many times. I've got all the coffee bits stuck in my nails. It's a good mascara. The wand is a bit strange. I'll show you. Strange in the fact that you'd think, how is that going to do anything? But it does. It really, really works. I really like it. Oh, we got a brown one here. Yeah, it's called Menace Brown. Oh, that's a little bit different. No, I like that. It's more of like a chocolatey brown. I think it's a really nice one. But we are all different, aren't we, in what we like and what suits our eyelashes and what doesn't. And then we've got Sol de Janeiro, and this is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's caffeine-rich guarana extract, 25 ml there. So a beauty box summer staple. We see this a lot in different beauty boxes, especially in the summer months. It's just got the holiday smell, isn't it? It just smells really, really lovely. And the moisturiser itself is really nice. on the skin as well. You've got a little pop there. Then lastly, we've got Revolution. This is Makeup Revolution London. It's called Reloaded Iconic Fever. I'll just take the cellophane off so you can see it properly. Makeup Revolution. Some palettes I absolutely love, some I don't. What is a shame, I think, is that the packaging just feels so cheap. It feels like it could just snap any second. But that's not to distract you from the actual product. I'm just giving my thoughts here. Let's get some sparkles going. Definitely pigmented and not overly powdery either. So yeah, nice shades. Just wish the packaging didn't feel like it was going to snap when I open it. But it's an affordable brand, isn't it? It's not, you know, some 40 odd pound luxury palette, and it should be all about the actual shadows. There you go, those are all the products in the GLOSSYBOX Summer Beauty Bag. So you'll get this massive bag. Then you've got the Revolution Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream body cream, Iconic London Triple Fret Brown Mascara, an Espresso body exfoliating scrub from Frank Body, an overnight body mask from Rituals, bronzing drops from e.l.f. Skin, Equave, I think, leave-in hair conditioner from Revlon, Hawaiian Tropic Tropical Oasis fragrant mist, Morphe Hot and Bothered lipstick gloss duo, and lastly Medicate Tetra, a vitamin C serum. You get all of these for £45. Unless you use the code BAG20, then you can get it for £86. But if you are a subscriber, when you sign into your account, you'll automatically get it for £35, and it has a value of £142. Now, as always, I can't remember what last year's was like besides the actual bag, which I still love and use. I can't remember what the products were, but if you can remember, I'd love to know how they compare. And also, if you'll be buying one of these for yourself as well, or are you thinking, nah, it's not for you this time? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.